In this video, I explain layout of Latin square design, standard Latin square design. But if you are new on my channel Statisticians Club, please subscribe the channel. Now let's start. Latin square is always constructed by rotations. Suppose we have 4 treatments A, B, C, D. So we got layout of Latin square design is A, B, C, D, and now for second row we start from B, B, C, D, and A element on the last box. For third row start C, C, D, A, B, C, and for fourth row now we start here D, and after that other elements arrange in alphabetic order A, B, C. So as you can see, first row is in alphabetic order and first column is in alphabetic order. This is the condition for standard Latin square design, that first row and first column is in alphabetic order. Now the large number of distinct Latin square design can be derived by interchanging rows and columns of a standard Latin square design. This is a standard Latin square design for 4 treatments. So by interchanging its rows and columns, we can generate other number of Latin square design. Where a Latin square design is a Latin square in which treatment in first row and first column are arranged in alphabetic order. As you can see, first row and first column is in alphabetic order. So this is the condition for standard Latin square design. Here we can see other examples of Latin square design. This is 2 by 2 Latin square design in standard form AB, BA. But you can see first row is in alphabetic order AB, first column is also in alphabetic order AB. Similarly, for 3 by 3 Latin square, there is only one standard for 3 by 3 treatments. 3 by 3 means the number of treatments are 3. So there is only one standard form, which is ABC. Now start from B, BC, here is A. Now for third row start C, and in alphabetic order AB. So as you can see, for 3 by 3 Latin square, first row and first columns are in alphabetic order. For 4 by 4 Latin square, there is 4 possible Latin squares. A, B, C, D. Start from B, C, D, A, B, C, D, and A is last. This is the square as we read from the start. This square is presented here because this is 4 by 4 Latin square. But we have 4 possible Latin square for 4 by 4. For second, A, B, C, D, and in second row we change this position. C is here, A is here, and A and C position is changed. And for third row, A and B position is changed. And similarly, B and C position is changed. And for third square, A, B and BA position is changed and remaining position are constant. And for fourth, these positions are changed from this. So we can generate 4 Latin square designs. And for 5 by 5 Latin square, 56 standard Latin squares are produced, and so on for next 6 by 6 Latin squares. And each standard square of size k by k yield k factorial into k minus 1 factorial different squares by promoting their rows except first and columns. So we may obtain 2 different square for 2 by 2 Latin square, 12 different squares for 3 by 3 Latin square, 6 different squares for 4 by 4 square, and 161280 different squares for 5 by 5 squares. So in designing a Latin square, one square is to be selected at random from all possible k by k Latin squares, and thereafter rows and columns are randomized for the purpose of field layout. So here is the layout for 5 treatments. A, B, C, D, and E are supposed are the 5 treatments, and we draw the layout of Latin square design. Here is the layout of Latin square design, but this is not in standard form. In standard form, it will be in alphabetic order in first row and first column. So this is a simple Latin square design. At the end, I summarized that in standard Latin square design, first row and first column in alphabetic order, but in simple Latin square design, each row and each column is a complete replicate, means it contains each element of any treatment. As you can see, B, E, A, C, D, this is complete replicate. If you want to see row number 4, A, C, D, E, B, this is complete replicate. So each row and each column is complete replicate in Latin square design. If you want to see videos on randomized complete block design, Latin square design, advantages of Latin square design, advantages of completely randomized design, then click the link in front of your screen. Thanks for watching.